Be ready to expert, you will be mesmerized.
That's the parents saying. They should also set their food inside. They are our children. They are our children. Very good. Thanks. Where the Excuse me, sir. Parents, you can go to any room.
Parents, you can call ma'am.
Parents go for
Kavita Sri ma'am.
Parents, Sharmila ma'am.
You do one and you them will go inside. Wait, you can finish with the others. Yes. Good morning, sir. Yes. Come now, follow my lead. Only one line each I will listen. I am running out of time. Just listen to your voice and leave.
Today my topic is about Fibonacci creation. Fibonacci creation is a name for Leonardo Pisano, also known as Fibonacci. He is an Italian mathematician who lived from 1170 to 1250. The Fibonacci sequence can be calculated mathematically. In this approach, each number in the sequence is considered as a term and it is represented in an expression Fn. If we add 1 and 1, we see 1 plus 1 is 2, sir. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. 3 plus 2 will gives you 5. 5 plus 3 will gives you 8, sir. 8 plus 5 will gives you 6. Hello everyone, today let's take a spin into the world of fairies. We'll underscore the fascinating magical this iconic amusement ride.
Ever wonder how the engineering on that Ferris wheel it provides smooth and enjoyable experience for all riders. The trigonometry function.
Be specific about how it has relationship with mathematics. Speak. Any relationship with mathematics?
Trigonometry.
Briefly. Say.
So the next 5 years or so, I honor fairies. Remember the mathematical magic happening behind your feet.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our expo. This is Paisa Tower. Leaning of the Paisa is 4 degree leaner to the ground. A tower makes 2 different angles to the ground, 94 degree and 86 degree. A 2 different angle makes a leaner pair of angle. Leaner pair of angle is a pair of adjacent.
From here to here, it's a 4 degree.
Hello everyone. Myself Imita. My name is Carlos. We are from 9th area. Today let's appreciate the magic of maths and something creative the day the speed rate. You wonder why a speed rate is high friendship? Well, it's not by accident. It's by mathematicians and engineers work together to calculate the opposite dimension. Good morning. Myself Roshni. Today we are going to talk about a few interesting points about clinometer. A clinometer is a tool which is used to measure the angle of elevation or angles from the ground in a right angle triangle.
Yes.
We can use a clinometer to measure the height of tall buildings that you can't possible to reach the top of flagpoles, trees, buildings, etc.
This helps it measure its height.
Yes. Good morning, sir. Myself, I am Janani and
Myself, yeah.
today our topic is speed of lift. I am excited to say about sheet of light in the application of Pythagoras theorem in the speed of lift.
By leveraging the mathematical principle, engineers can easily, preciously, and
Nice,
preciously.
nice. So, mathematics in lift 2.
Good morning, sir. I am going to explain about modern mathematical clock. Here the time is 10 to. First we should solve the multiplication. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Here 2, we should add 2 into 1. We should multiply in reverse order.
Oh, okay.
In
We do have one mathematics class in house. That is a bit different.
Happy morning, sir. Today our topic is about hyperbola. In mathematics, hyperbola is a type of smooth curve lying in a plane defined by its geometric properties on which it is the solution. A type hyperbola has two pieces called connected components or branches that are mirror images of each other and resemble to its both.
Yes, next.
Good morning, sir. The volume of the cylinder and the cone are related in the same way as the volume of a pyramid and a prism are related. So, first we can take a rice, we can fill in this cone. So, we can put it in the cylinder.
Okay.
Another cup of rice.
Quick.
So, if we see means the cone is the 1/3 quantity of the cylinder.
Oh, got the point. Okay.
The volume of a cone is 1 by 3 into pi r square h.
A warm welcome to everybody. My topic is about a sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. An angle that is 180 degrees is considered a straight angle or essentially a straight line.
Got the point. Next.
Good morning, sir. My topic is about properties of circle. Angle in the same segment or standing in the same floor is equal.
Okay. Super. Great.
This is a code, sir.
Simple.
Both the sides are on the
I
same.
got it. Simple but revealing. Good. Nice.
Good morning, sir. I'm Pratiksha. I'm Kaushmika. Our topic is about honeycomb. Why the honeycomb is in the shape of hexagon? Can I know any interesting facts about that? Yes, sure, Pratiksha. Hexagon uses the least amount of material to hold the most weight. Bees can use these hexagon to stir things. The shape of a hexagon makes honeycomb fit together as a puzzle. The hexagonal shape of honeycombs will reduce the least resources and produces the maximum output. I have a doubt. Yes, tell me. Why honeycomb is only in the shape of hexagon? It can be either in the shape of circle, triangle. Can you explain about it? Yes, sure, Kaushmika. Circle would leave gaps in the honeycomb. Square and triangle wouldn't leave gaps, but hexagon works even better. Each cell in the section
I
of
have a doubt. The sizes are different. This one small, this one bigger. Why? Can be. Got the point. Safe. But anyway, this should be common. What's the Ansika. Hexagon.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to our Maths Expo, sir. Myself, Ashwini.
Akshaya.
Today our topic is about dry-stone bridge.
A building method by which structures are constructed from stone without using mortar to bind them together.
Example, Italy, Japan, France, Spain has dry-stone bridge and built around 1,300 years.
Stone bridge. How mathematics is a relationship?
Because of trapezium, sir.
This one. Nice. Please.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Vega.
My name is Sadhana.
Our topic is about magic and mystery of pi. Shabda, can you explain me why pi is everywhere in maths?
Yes, sure, Vega. Pi is a number which ratio of the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle to the diameter of the circle. The mathematician has spent time calculating the digit of pi for thousands of years.
What are the circle of different radius the pi value does not change? So I'm going to explain with a few examples the pi value is not.
Got the point. Yes. Nice.
Happy morning, sir. My project is MECA. MECA is officially a Mecca al-Mukarrama. It's commonly shortened into Mecca. It's the capital of Hijaz region of Western Saudi Arabia and the holiest city in Islam. It is square in shape. Wherever we see the Mecca, it will be in a square in shape.
From which angle we see? Okay. That's the same like Raja.
Welcome to our expo. We are from 9th grade. Myself Ashwini. Myself Kritika. Our topic is about
Quick, say the mathematics relationship with the wall.
the Great Wall is China is an ancient wall of China. It is in Shanghai. The wall was made of cement, rocks, bricks and dirt.
Relationship with mathematics, you say.
Measurement.
Finished in 1870 and it was interpreted the large interaction of the center. This materials of the
You are not going to say because the memorize and want to finish that. We speak about what relationship. The general knowledge we have, even yesterday marking the same is being linked in what relationship? You are doing maths expo, right? What relationship does it have? It's all about numbers. The relationship. Say it's all about numbers, sir. That is a number is nothing. It is a world record. So many kilometers away. There are so many. Every room there.
How Maths is applied in social science. All these wonderful experiments and innovations speak through social science. So here we will start with relief features of our planet. From the mountain, the water flows and join with the ocean. This is continental shelf and this is continental slope. Merlin, what is the length of the continental shelf and slope? The length and depth of the continental shelf vary widely. On an average, continental shelf extend about 80 kilometers from the coastline. But this can range from a few kilometers to several hundred kilometers. However, some shelves can be made deeper, reaching its depth to about 200 meters in certain areas. The length and depth of the continental slope also vary widely.
Very nice. There's a good relationship. Even the stones are different sizes. It all has relationship with mathematics.
Pleasant morning, sir. Today we are going to explain about mathematics in volcano. As they explain detail about the relief features of our planet. Here we are going to explain about the formation of landforms with the help of volcanoes. First we will start with active volcanoes.
32 years.
It is the active volcano. Active volcano have a history of eruption within the last 10,000 years and are expected to erupt in the future. There are over 1,350 active volcanoes in the world and there are more active ones found in all continent and Pacific islands.
Yeah, it is an ice volcano. Ice volcano from when it's really cold outside, at least 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. When entire flow cools below about 1000 degrees Celsius, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, it has solidified. Ice volcanoes are also found on Mars and satellites of Jupiter and Saturn.
Great. Very nice.
Good morning, sir. Have a fantabulous morning. After the formation of plants, humans have started living on this planet. They started living with various stages of development and innovators. Finally, they started living with an extraordinary knowledge of plant life. So one of the great examples was Indus Valley civilization. This civilization was discovered nearly 1300 to 1500 BC.
Yes, here's the evidence of the knowledge is cutter houses which are built in the rectangular shape. Do you know why? Because of its spacious lawn, backyard and windows. The roads were wide, straight and rectangular shape. Here is
Beautiful planning. It has all members because first urban civilization in particularly Asia. So they have made according to mathematics, lot of planning including rainwater, all planning engineering model.
every house have proper water pipes.
Not a teacher.
Every house have proper water pipelines on the back of the house. The usage of household work, water will drain into the backyard. The sewage water will be carried outside. These pipelines are connected to each house individually towards its main sewage system.
Every house has.
This is the pool which excelled in its construction. The tank measures approximately 12 meters north to south and 7 meters wide with a maximum depth of 2.4 meters. There is also an adjacent changing room built along with the pool with an adjacent length of 4:2. Each baked brick has a ratio length to width thickness at 4:2:1 of same size. And that's how mathematics played a significant role in its design. Exactly, sir. Humans have improved their lives in various ways, and one of
we are going to tell few things about RBI. RBI was established on 1st April 1935 and was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. The first governor of RBI is Sir Osborne Smith and the present governor is Shakti Kantadas.
Super, say one.
Bank notes are printed by 4 different places of Madhya Pradesh, Nasik in Maharashtra, Salboni in West Bengal, and Mysore in Karnataka.
Yes, this is Rubai, this is Paisa.
Good morning, sir. We are here to talk about the leading topic of Mathzen. You might have heard about it in your school days, colleges. Yeah, well, even now. Let's see about it.
Further reading.
There are 5 degrees. And it stands at the height of 58 meter in the taller side and 56 meter in the shorter side. The exterior diameter is 15 meters and it has 273 steps. The first phase of this tower was constructed by Bonanno Pisano and Guidarro Zinfino. The second phase was by the construction of the tower lasted
1700 and 1100.
11 years.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to talk about Giza pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional shape with a polygonal base and triangular faces which join at a common point called the apex. You know,
One line. Others.
And they are played on the great India and served as a tomb of Kolathur. It was located in the Orgi-Plateau on the west bank of the
base and the three sides, each measurements are
That's what I want to know, that particular mathematics part.
base and the three sides, each measurements are 25 feet and 230 meters in length. How amused is it to see that 482 meters in length?
That is a surprise.
How their almost ranges around 147 meters. There are approximately
You might be guessing what lay inside the Great Pyramid? Let me help you out. The tall tower passed away 15 feet is aligned towards the king chamber. The room is entirely lined and roofed with the granite slabs. The king chambers are 5 compartments separated by the massive horizontal granite slabs. Thank you.
Without nothing is inside.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Today is breaking news. Again, Rajasthan and other parts of India are suffering for the water scarcity. You can see a huge amount of crowd fighting for the water near the water tanks. We have some specialists there to share some valuable points.
Others.
I'm here to speak about water scarcity. Hello, I'm here to speak about water scarcity. Water scarcity is very common in cities and continents like India, Nigeria, and Africa. Well, the only solution for water scarcity is rainwater harvesting. The process of rainwater harvesting.
Others.
Let me explain about proof of rainwater harvesting. First, you need to determine and make sure the area should be clean. Next, determine the layers and location. The tank, for example, the tank and the pipeline should determine such a
We can even install a first flush diverter to keep the most polluted rainwater out of rainwater. When you filter the water or chemical carbon treatments, UV expansion, ultraviolet, osmosis capable to remove.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is global understanding. Have you ever
Global?
global understanding?
Global of the sun. Globe and the sun. Globe and the sun.
Have you ever imagined why it is day in India and night in USA at the same time? Let us explain.
Like it is day in India but night in USA. Why?
India is 11.5 hours ahead of USA because India and USA are the opposite side of the world. Thus, when it's day in India, it's night in world. Can you calculate time difference between India and USA?
Yes, the total time difference between India and USA is 9 hours and 30 minutes. It's the time
Average.
difference.
Like, for example, when you are going something like India, it is different. It is only 9 hours. When you are going further, America, it's 4 hours. But as you said, average 9 hours. Enough.
A glorious morning to all. We are going to explain about wind vane. A wind vane, weather vane or weather box is an instrument used for showing the direction of the wind. It is typically used as an architectural ornament to the highest point of the building.
The wind is mounted on a shaft that is covered with collision. The wind catches the rudder blade and makes it rotate. The narrow end of the vane points into the wind.
It's called the wind vane. Vane. I have seen this, but name me. Very good. Well said.
A glowing morning and freshly welcome to one and all present here. Indra, can you tell me what building is? Yes, sure.
Pushpita, this is known as Qutub It was built by Qutb Aibak in 1192. He is the first Sultan and Muslim ruler of Delhi. Pushpita, can you tell me how it was built?
The World Heritage Site was built as victory of Tower, possible inscripted by Afghan monarchy. Qutb Aibak of Delhi after dedicating the Hindu rulers in 1100. Here we are going to learn few things about the authority of Qutb Minar.
Yes, Shah Pushpita, the foundation was laid by Qutb Aibak, but it was completed by his son. It is also known as victory of Tower. It has three steps and also built with red and stone. Pushpita, can you tell me just exactly? No, sir.
நம்ம இங்கிருந்து பார்த்துட்டு போகலாம் பசங்க.
The old parliament covers an area of 6 acres. It is one of the most impressive buildings in the world.
Happy morning, sir. Our topic is mathematics and architecture. Later, the temple of Jesus is Olympiad. The Olympiad Jesus. Yes, the size, the 7 times slabs of size, 1 or 42 feet, 13 meters in the full height of temple.
The temple of Wizard Olympia is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The statue was one of the 2 masterpieces by the great sculptor Phidias, the other being the statue of Athens in Parthenon.
Morning, sir. We are going to talk about Meenakshi Amman temple. The Arulmiga Meenakshi Amman temple is situated in the heart of the city. It covers an area 17 acres. The entire city beginning built around it. The temple has 4 entrances, covers an area 830 feet, 254.1 meter long and 790 feet.
Engineering marvel.
The Meenakshi Amman temple is also known as Meenakshi Sundari Nakara temple. It is one of the oldest temples in India and most important temple, renowned for its astonishing and Dravidian style of architecture.
Very nice. Who made this? Sitting? Collectively. Great, great. It looks really original. Nice, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, welcome to the Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world. The height of it is 182 meters, nearly 597 feet. Why they decided to keep 182 meters tall? Because they represented the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. It is located 200 kilometers.
Good treat for you. Dance. Dance as well. Yes.
எல்லாம் நம் சிதம்பரம் நடராஜர் கோயில் பற்றியேதான். ஊர் மக்கள் அனைவரும் கோவிலின் கட்டுமான அமைப்பு பற்றி தான் பேசுகிறார்கள் அரசே. அப்படி என்ன ரகசியம் என்னிடம் கூட சொல்லாமல்? மனிதனின் உடம்பும் கோயில் என்பதனை குறிக்கும் வகையில் சிதம்பரம் நடராஜர் கோயில் அமைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. அப்படியா? இக்கோயில் அமைந்திருக்கும் இடமானது உலகின் பூமத்திய ரேகையின் மையப்பகுதியில் அமைந்துள்ளது. பஞ்சபூதங்களில் ஆகாயத்தை குறிக்கும் பிள்ளை நடராஜர் ஆலயமும், காற்றை குறிக்கும் காலாவஸ்திரி ஆலயமும்,
இடத்தை குறிக்கும் காஞ்சியை நமது நிஷ்டாலயமும் ஒரு நேர்கோட்டில் அதாவது சரியாக 79 டிகிரி 49 நிமிடம் கிழக்கு தெற்கு நிலையில் அமைந்துள்ளது.
மனித உடலையே அடிப்படையாக கொண்டு அமைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் கோவில் எத்தனை நுழைவாயில்கள் உள்ளன?
9 நுழைவாயில்கள் உள்ளன.
கல்லணை இந்தியாவின் தமிழ்நாட்டில் உள்ள மிக பழமையான அணையாகும். இந்த அணை கரிகால் சோழன் முதலாம் நூற்றாண்டில் காலநிலைக்கு கட்டப்பட்டுள்ளது. இது திருச்சிக்கு மிக அருகில் உள்ளது. இந்த அணை தஞ்சாவூர் மாவட்டத்தில் உருவாக்கப்பட்டுள்ள கல்லணை.
இப்பொழுது கரிகாலன் சோழர் மணிமண்டபம் பார்க்கலாமா? 10 நூற்றாண்டுகளை கடக்கும் போது இருக்கும் கடமை தமிழர்களின் கடுமையான திறனை பறைசாற்றிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறது. பழமையான இந்த அணையை கட்டிய கரிகால சோழனை கல்லணையிலிருந்து திருக்காட்டுப்பள்ளி சாலையில் காவிரி உணர்ந்து மணிமண்டபம் அமைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. இந்த மண்டபத்தில் இப்பொழுது நீங்கள் அன்னை விட்டு
சங்க இலக்கிய நூல்களில் ஒன்றான குறிஞ்சிப்பாட்டு கபிலர் 99 மலர் வகைகள் குறித்து குறிப்பிட்டுள்ளார். அவ்வரிய மலர் வகைகளின் பெயர் இதோ உங்களுக்காக.
இந்த 16 என்னென்ன
கரந்தை குலவி மா பிள்ளை பாலை முல்லை பிள்ளை பிடவி செங்கருங்காலி வாழை வள்ளி நெய்தல் தாழை தலவம் தாமரை ஞாழல் மௌவல் கொகுடி சேடல் செம்மல் திருசெங்குரலி கோடல் கைதை வழை காஞ்சி பாங்கர் மராம் தனக்கம் ஈங்கல் இலவம் கொன்றை அடும்பு ஆத்தி அவரை பகண்டை பலாசம் பிண்டி வஞ்சி பித்திகம் சிந்துவாரம் தும்பை துழாய் தோன்றி நந்தி நரவம் புன்னாகம் இருவாச்சி வேங்கை புழகு.
இது மட்டுமா தமிழில் உள்ள பரம்பரை பற்றி அறிந்து முதல் தலைப்பு பேரண்டமும் தமிழும்.
99 memories recorded video.
1300 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன்னே மாணிக்க வாசகர் இத்தகைய கூறுகிறார்.
அண்ட பகுதியில் உருண்டை வடிவமும் ஒப்பற்ற பழமையான காட்சியும் ஒன்றுடன் ஒன்று ஈர்ப்புடன் என்ற அழகிய கண்டுபிடிப்பதென அதிசயமே.
இல்லத்துள்ளையும் கதிரவனின் ஒளிக்கற்றை தெரியும் தூசித்துகள் போல அவள் உண்மையாக இருக்கிறது.
ஓ அப்படியா, ஆச்சரியமாக இருக்கிறது.
ஏனா ஃபேன் குட் பேரண்டமும் தமிழும். நெக்ஸ்ட்
தமிழ் 96 பல ஆசிரியர்களால் எழுதப்பட்டிருக்கும் குமரகுருபரர் எழுதிய பிள்ளை தமிழை சொல்லப்படுகிறது. மனிதன் அல்லது தெய்வத்தின் குழந்தை பருவத்தை கவிதையாக தொகுத்து பாடலாக பாடப்படுகிறது.
ஆண்களுக்கு காப்பர் சிங்கிரை தாள் சப்பானி முத்தம் வருகை அம்புலி சிற்றில் சிறுவரை சிறுதேர் என்ற 10 பருவங்கள் ஆண்களுக்கு உரியது. பெண்களுக்கு காப்பர் சிங்கிரை தாள் சப்பானி முத்தம் வருகை அம்புலி நீராடல் ஊச்சல் அம்மானே என்று 10 பருவங்கள் உள்ளன. இதில் முதல் 7 பருவங்கள் ஒன்றாகவும் கடைசி 3 பருவங்கள்.
வணக்கம். கல் தோன்றி மண் தோன்றா காலத்தே தோன்றிய மூத்த மொழியாகிய தமிழ் மொழி நானாவேன். காலத்தால் அழியாத கன்னித்தமிழாய் கடல் கடந்தும் பாடும் செந்தமிழாய் பாமாலைகள் பல கண்ட பைந்தமிழாய் இதிகாசங்கள் பல கொண்ட இன்பத்தமிழாய் மூவேந்தர் வளத்திட்ட முத்தமிழாய் ஆதியந்தமில்லா சங்கத்தமிழாய் தன்னகரில்லா தண்டமிழாய் வன்மமேதமில்லா வண்டமிழாய் அன்றும் இன்றும் என்றும் அழியா இளமை தமிழாய் வாழ்பவள் நானே. ஓலைச்சுவடியில் தொடங்கிய என் வாழ்க்கை பயணம் காலம் பல கடந்தும் காலத்திற்கு ஏற்ப என்னை மாற்றிக்கொண்டும் கண்ணியிலும் மாற்றி செய்யும் அழகு தமிழாய் வளர்ந்து கொண்டும் காலத்திற்கும் என்னை மாற்றிக்கொண்டும் உங்கள் கைகளில் வளம் வந்து கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இளமையாக.
அன்னை தமிழே வணக்கம். ஷார்ட்ஸ் மாதிரி ஷார்ட்ஸ்
அந்த பகுதிகளில் உருண்டை வடிவமும் பச்சை பழமையான காட்சியும் சூரிய ஒளிரத்திய சிறிய தூசி கலந்து உலகத்திற்கு தகவலை இருக்குமா அறிவை உண்மையை அன்றே கண்டுபிடித்தார்கள் நம்ம உலகத்துல இருக்க கோள்களை தூசு போலதான் இருக்கு. இப்ப நம்மள ஏமாத்துறோம். அது தெரியாம எல்லாரும் ஆணவத்துல இருக்காங்க. சரி, அதை விட நம்ம தலைப்பு சூரிய குடும்பத்துல இருக்க 9 கோள்களை பார்க்க போறோம். புதன், மெர்க்குரியஸ், வீனஸ், ஜூபிட்டர், யுரேனஸ், வீனஸ், சூரியனை சுற்றி வர எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் கால அளவு 88 ஆண்டுகளாம். இது ஒரு முறை சூரியனை சுற்றி எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் கால அளவு 205 ஆண்டுகள். அப்படியா? ஒரு முறை சூரியனை சுற்றி வர எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் கால அளவு 205 நாட்களாக கொண்டு வருகிறது. எப்பா, ஒரு முறை சூரியனை சுற்றி வர எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் கால அளவு
பெருமை, வெற்றி, முயற்சி, புகழ்,
16 பெற்று 16
ஒரு அரண்மனையில் 32 காவல்காரர்கள். அவர் கடிகாரத்திற்கும் எங்கள் நாம் எப்போது பயன்படுகின்ற தூய்மையான சரியாக
வருகைக்கு நன்றி. வெயிட்டா I like it very much.
ஐவகை நிலங்களை பற்றி அழகு தமிழில் உங்களுக்கு கூற அன்னை மொழியை வணங்கி தொடங்குகிறேன். குறிச்சி மலையே, முல்லை மரமே, மருது நிலமே, நெய்தல் கடலே, பாலை சுரமே என அழகாக பிரித்தனர் நம் தமிழர்கள்.
Very briefly, I will listen to you one line.
My name is Anusha. Our topic is water of crystallization. Many salts are found in water of crystallization. Many salts are found as crystal with water molecules. These water molecules.
Orthotropic system is applicable to copper sulfate. It comprises 3 axes and is a right angle to each other. All the axes are inclined towards each other. Based on the 3 inclined angles, it forms crystals from its axis. Good morning, sir. Myself, Devika. Myself, Today our topic is cell-division by geometrical progression. In cell-division geometrical progression, each term is found by multiplying 3 shears, one by the same plus is called common radio.
In cell division geometric growth, after each division, the cell doubles the number of total cells produced to n.
Example, first cell division 2 addition 2 1 is equal to 4 cells. Second cell division 2 square is equal to 4 cells.
What's the difference from first and second?
Thank you, sir. Welcome to Mathzen 2023. We are here to explain the distance between sun and earth at certain. Can you explain it? In order to measure very large distance of astronomical object. Astronomical object in light year parsecs. What's astronomical?
So measured in light years, the distance. Light years.
Lunar laser and the
Lunar laser.
Lunar laser and the X. The distance is routinely measured using ladder. Ladder means light detection and
Nice. That is very good. Earth writing, no? ERT, you know, put it in another pi. Pi. 22 by 22 pi is 22 bags. 22 pi is 3. And denominator 3 pi's. That is pi, no?
22 by 7.
Pi. Pi na what?
Open your mouth and say.
Pi is what? 22 by? What's the answer? 1414, right?
3.1.
Good. Next one.
My topic is about distance between the sun and earth. My distance between the sun and earth is using the equation of motion. Distance is v into t. V is speed of light and vacuum. T is photon takes place to reach the sun's surface. T is 8 minutes 90 seconds is 140
between the earth and moon and earth.
Any idea about earth and sun distance?
Earth
Earth and sun distance.
is 1.49 million.
1.49 lakhs. That's 15 crore, 150 million. Check somebody.
3 lakh 48.
That is for moon. That is moon. 3 lakh 84. 383 point something. This is 15 crore means 150 million. You said correct. 149 million. If it is 15 lakhs, we will be burned. Because it's a fireball. Sun is nothing but fireball. Sure. They say 15 crore.
Today we are going to talk about aquarium. Aquarium is a mixture of two acids.
Udi.
The two acids which is used to make aquarium are hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Listen, morning. I'm Dhanushri.
I am Ovia.
Today we are going to check the pH of lemon juice.
From the water we drink to the drugs in chemist shop involves pH.
pH solution is used to measure hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. In pH, P stands for potency. When the value is
P stands for potential. H stands for pH. First two letters.
Good morning, sir. This is Madhya Rahman.
And this is Harishati.
So today we are going to say about ultrasound imaging. Ultrasound machine distance measured to synthesize the image from the returning echo. To generate the images for the ultrasound scan, the machines need to determine the distance of the reflective interferences.
Fetal biometry, the measure of the amount of amniotic fluid and the blood through that umbilical cord, and it indicates whether if the
Sir, 1 second. Sir, now how to check that we have to apply some gel in the belly of the mother and we should transducer.
Before that, we have to put a doll.
Sir, we should take the transducer across the belly and the image is shown in that way.
That problem starts for mother.
pH will show you, sir.
pH.
Now we are going to show you the pH of lemon. You can see that it shows 3, which means
It is an acidic solution.
Great girls. Nice.
Max. Without Max, no life. Good morning, sir. Today our topic is about the series circuit and parallel circuit. Difference between series circuit and parallel circuit. Electricity is one of the most important in our life.
Battery have 9 voltage. The battery is connected with the switch and wire is connected with the bulbs.
Components are connected one after another in single loop. Electric charge flow in one pathway. In series circuit, there is only one pathway through which electric charge flows. A parallel circuit. Ideas, sir.
See many signs. Max also. Why we are using max? Because science is max. Not only science are it are science.
From the water we drink to the drugs in the chemist shop involves 2 years.
Short circuit is when the electricity supply is not uniform. So it crashes. It's called short circuit. Shut up. It's current problem. Uniform. Short circuit is fire.
When the value is below 7, here we can see which
switch, battery and bulb. Here we can see here the water of
It shows 3, which means it's acidic fast. It is caused by the presence of water.
you are using in maths. Why you are using in maths?
Not only in maths we use, but in science also we use.
Why in maths you say? That's what she's saying. In relationship maths to, let's say everything related to mathematics. For example, the size of this one. Something you can say. What shape? This is almost rectangular size. Like that. Okay, good. Anyway, something.
Good morning, sir. Myself, I am going to talk about isotopes. Isotopes are defined as the different atom of the same element having different same atomic number but different mass number. For example, hydrogen. Spectacular morning.
You want to say again?
Sir, and my beloved. Do you know one thing? This year has been a stupendous year in our Indian history. You people know anything about it? Let me explain about it. That is, this Indian Space Research Organization has been launched numerous missions to space.
Yes, I even heard about Chandrayaan 3, Galen to Mars and Aditya to Sun. Now I will explain you about Aditya, which is playing for me. Aditya is a mission which is launched to Sun to know about the particle present heat radiation.
Enough. Texturation. Conscious about grammar. How many grammatical errors?
Good morning, sir. Today our topic is about Aditya Lander World.
My name is Chris. My name is Hasana.
Please. My name is Kusama.
The Everwin will be placed in a halo which will approximately 1.5 billion kilometers away from Earth. It is expected that the Everwin
What time?
Aditya Lander 1 shall be the first Indian space-based mission to study the sun. The spacecraft carries 7 polars to observe the photosphere, chromosphere and the outer layer of the sun.
is around 400 plus per day. The ISRO is announced to be the Aditya last mission which aims to study. It is projected to reach its destination orbit at approximately 147 days after its launch.
I thought it's very nice. I have never become a doctor and doing injection.
We have to take first medical present and second nitric acid to ratio of 3. Yeah, sure. We have your medical present and your nitric acid. And the same thing I'm going to
Yeah, say something you said. At least give me why you are munching.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is balancing calculation equation. My name is Jayalakshmi. Myself,
Mathematics has been successfully used in the development of science and technology. Here I explain about the balance of physical equation.
Yes, next person.
The step from the
as there are 2 oxygen atoms on the left side, 1 is found. Today we are going to say that we have electron hydrogen atom on the left side. What are we adding? That chemistry atom called PS. Can you keep your thumb? Space transfer potential from and space
Zero.
finger beginning accessible as a base. When the value is 7, it is neutral. When the value is below 7, it is accessible. When the value is above 7, it is
We touch things every day. A coffee, a car, or computer. Each time we do it, it is like a leaf behind a unique signature and is up to them. Now my friends are explaining a kind of there are 3 ways to use the fingerprints through which fingerprints have been classified into loops, words and arches. So your fingerprint is not this is my
Loop.
words and arches.
Oh, 3 types of
Subdivision. Your fingerprint belongs to loops. Prints that recover back on them to form a loop shape divided into radical loops.
So mine belongs to loop. Several loopholes.
60% of shapes can have a
Fine. So I go with the majority.
yes. And personality, characters will be like leadership quality, emotional traits, creativity.
What's the minus sign? My weakness, no? No, I never weak. Great cats. Nice.
Precious morning, sir. Our topic is about atomic numbers and elements. The atomic numbers and elements are important in chemistry. The element symbol is 1 or 2 letter appearance of the name of the element. While writing long chemical equations, we need to use short forms of the compounds and elements. That time the symbols
This I
are
know,
very
sodium. NaCl, sodium chloride.
useful.
Uppu. We say hydrogen.
Should be
By learning this first 20 atomic number, what is so useful for our day-to-day applications? The atomic number in the periodic table helps us in the mole and mass calculation. Can you explain us with an example? Yeah. For an example, we can take the compound carbon dioxide CO2. In carbon dioxide, the element carbon and oxygen's atomic number is added to the mole number.
BMI is a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters, and high BMI indicates the high body fatness. BMI screens for weight categories that may lead to health problems, but it does not diagnose the body fatness or so they will measure your height and say that you are underweight or normal. Age
58. 167.
167. Can you stand in the weight machine?
Please stand weight of weight.
Wait, I know mobile level.
Here, come, place it here.
But okay, you have to deduct 1 kg of us money. It's wrong. Only 57, 58. Okay, maybe. I think it will show more. Don't take risk.
Sir, you're normal, sir.
Always. It should be 21.
It is 21.9.
But the 0.9 is because of the 3 kg in this. It will show 50, say 8 with these, 1 kg, 57. Bad.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Yes, next.
Yes.
Sorry.
Happy morning, sir. Today we are going to explain about valence bond theory. What is meant by valence bond theory? Many approaches have been put forth to explain the nature of bonding in coordination compounds. One of them is the valence bond theory. According to valence bond theory,
Balance.
bond,
BBT.
valence bond theory.
Bond.
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 According to valence bond theory, electrons occupies the atomic number rather than atoms. Today, I am going to explain about the molecular formula AX2. In AX2, there are two types of feasible notation. First notation is AX2 notation. It has a linear shape structure. It has an angle which is about 180 degree. For example, we can say CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Second notation is AX2.
Enough. Well presented. Nice. Yes.
A very good night, sir. Robotics is not waiting for maths. Asking, do you know how robotics is formed?
Okay, show the next class.
Yes, sir.
First video. Why?
Because wire is wire.
Oh, for that. So then we have to come back again, I say.
No, this side you can come. This side you can cover. This side.
That's what I always go for. She's very eager. She has done something magical.
Where optical depending structure. Can be another causal structure.
Great. Super. Fantastic. Very nice. Okay. Say something. Sonar.
Sonar system, sir. And a future achievers here is here to explain about the sonar, which is nothing but sound navigation and ranking. It is used to
It's not
develop
so SON.
sonar, which is nothing but it develops the distance, the angle. It sends the atoms on the wave toward the bottom of the
Good morning, sir. We are here to explain about the DNA. What is DNA? DNA consists of two main quadratic chains.
Nitrogen base are central link to sugar peptides from the backbone of the DNA.
What stands for DNA? You say first. D what? N what? A what?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxy.
Yeah, I'm asking him. He was saying Expo is presented by students, not by teachers. When you were training, you are not doing that. Now you are saying. Okay, you should know that first. Anyway, okay, DNA in which area you spoke something like that.
have it in the chart.
Even in crime detection, it is useful. Okay, great. Well, nice.
Good morning, sir. Do you know how heart attack occurs? The heart attack occurs when the heart enters cell bed and oxygen to the heart is blocked. The normal rate of an adult heart range from 60 to 100 beats per second. The increase or decrease in this rate.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. This is a Robert's periodic table.
This is a periodic table. This periodic table was given by Henry Moseley, but we did not get this periodic table directly. For this periodic table, many scientists worked.
He suggested a method of grouping the elements according to their relative atomic mass. He arranged the elements in the person's contact and he found out the state and multiplied that number by
Tears are tits. Right. Okay.
Helium is the lightest element in the periodic table. Divided into the atomic number of helium is so it takes 2 electrons.
Good morning, sir. The oxygen is very essential for our life. And the oxygen symbol is O. Atomic number is 6. Electronic orbital
Super, you say.
galaxy.
Connected to it. You are going to show it. Then you wait. Next.
Sir, I am going to talk about fullerene.
Louder.
Okay.
Now I am going to talk about fullerene, sir. Fullerene is the third crystalline allotrope of carbon.
One line enough. Next one move.
Good morning, sir. My topic is about tetrahedral carbon as a nature of tetrahedral. Carbon atomic number is low. Carbon has a
You say. No, when it's needed, you switch off light. Why now?
Turn it on.
Don't turn the switch. Don't create darkness.
This is fluorine atom. In the fluorine atom, learning section, only one electron is present. In the fluorine atom, one is stable in the cell. Valence system. It is transferred.
Now you do. Start.
Toothpaste is defined as a semi-solid material for removing naturally occurring deposits from teeth and is supposed to be simultaneously used with a toothbrush. Toothbrush which generally contains the following components: water 22.45%, abrasive 50%, aluminum hydroxide, and common hydrogen phosphate. Fluoride is usually around 4,450% parts per million, mainly in the form of sodium fluoride. These ingredients in correct proportion make the toothpaste effective.
A few moments later.
Today, actually, this is very clearly how Brazil. This is because of meditation. Meditation helps us clear our mind and reduce stress. Meditating our mind helps us to start a day in the right mood. The three arrows aiming the
Idea. Who is in the video?
Samuel.
Who is in the video? You. Nice concept. Great. Next.
Good morning, sir. We are going to explain about measurement of organs in our human body. Brain, 1250 to 1400 grams. Heart, 250 to 300 grams. Lungs, left, so 325 to 425 grams. Lungs, right, 350 to 500
You say
grams.
something.
I have an important fact about the IQ. IQ, intelligent quotient, it measures our ability to reach
solution and a solve
Enough.
problems.
Good morning, sir. We are going to explain the calculus of calories contained in a calculation of calories. How to calculation of calories. When you are eating a food
Something, what is the calorie part?
when you are eating a food item, what to there are three main components: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Carbohydrate and protein are to multiply with 4, and fats are also multiply with
For any food, same. For any food, the same.
But calories will be different in
Our topic is about the defects of it. So there are, in front of you there's a model of an eye which shows all the defects of it. There are two types of defects.
One is myopia and another one is hypermetropia.
What is myopia?
Myopia is nearsightedness and what is hypermetropia?
This is the two difference.
No, sir. This is the model of an eye. So hypermetropia is farsightedness.
Yeah, this model explains about the mathematics and biology.
So I'm going to illustrate it to you. First, I'm going to say about myopia. For saying about myopia, first we need a concave lens and we need a candle. So I'm going to place this candle over here.
Lighting.
So I'm gonna place this candle over here. Before placing this concave lens, what myopia is the elongation of the retina and the nerve, the distance between the retina and the nerve. So I'm gonna place this concave lens, and you can see that this eye is actually came closer, and now it's visible and it's not blurred. Your vision will be visible. Myopia.
You can be a great ophthalmologist in future. Ophthalmologist, eye doctor. Right, nice. Right.
Good morning, sir. We are here to explain about sex determination. In human being, there are 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of this, 22 pair of chromosomes are called autosomes, and the last pair of chromosomes helps in deciding the gender. During gamete formation, the female always denotes sex, whereas the male denotes either X or Y. Therefore, the sex of the child depends on male.
Good morning, sir. We are seeing about meiosis cell division. Meiosis is a type of cell division where arithmetic progression occurs when one of the daughter cells divides while others mature.
Meiosis is a process where single cell divides twice that four cells containing half of
Next.
Good morning, sir. Here I am going to explain about the Bohr's model of an atom. In 1913, Niels Bohr, a Danish physicist, explained the stability of an atom in a different manner. In electrons, the atom revolves around the corresponding circle path called orbit or stellar electron.
Sir, I'm going to explain about the structure of atom. So we can see the cell next to the nucleus is called K cell. It has the least amount of energy and it increases when the cell size increases.
The last one, N is the
Yes, sir. It has the most energy.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
This is our topic about chromatography. Chromatography is a separation technique used in separation of various techniques in the solubility of solvents. This method is used to separate colored dyes from
total color, what in the mixture is lesser density color will come outside and darker density color will go out.
Nice.
Good morning. I am going to explain how to make a lip balm. For a lip balm, take a non-stick pan and put 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. After that, put the flame in low medium. Then take bee wax and wait until it melts. Then take some pigment. I am taken tulip essence. Then take some beetroot powder and mix it well. And take it off the pan and let it dry for a few minutes. After that, you can put into a container and use it.
Great. Very short, but good. Great. Did you try? Okay. Not.
Good morning, sir. This is biodegradable plastic cup.
Making this, I added water in a non-stick pan and agar powder 20 grams, gelatin 3 grams in a separate. It's at the top of the first layer. So it's a salt. Keep the salt, the color, the color. Yes, the salt, the color.
What is the working there?
Colors.
What is the science math behind that or maths behind that?
Max the ratio science is like
That's great answer. Very nice.
Actually, I'm going to explain the non-Newtonian plate. When you apply high amount of force in it, it acts against some ball. When you apply slow amount of force, it gets loosened. It's made up of, it's fluid. It's made up of groundwater and water.
Then keep exploring.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.